What is up, losers? Welcome back to another Pokemon card opening. Today we have a Paldean Fates 10 Great Tusk, the 3-pack Paradox Rift blister with Arctibox promo, a Carvana Temporal Forces promo, Bellybot Temporal Forces promo, and a Capsicid Scovillain Temporal Forces. So we're going to jump right into it with the Great Tusk EX Paldean Fates 10. I mentioned before how I am not a huge fan of Paldean Fates. However, last night I decided to open, a different Paldean Fates box, and then was actually able to pull this. It's not the best thing I've ever pulled, but hey, I love the classics. The classic 151, so yeah, I got a little lucky last night with a Pidgeot EX. The 10 includes the Great Tusk EX. I've opened all of the 10s for the series at this point now. So let's jump right into the packs. Code card. One to the front. Energy. Little. Pikachu. Let's see if I can adjust the lighting real quick. There we go. I'll cut this one down. There we are. Grevard, Vampy, Clive, Whimsicott, Scrafty, Noibat, Woobat, and a Fortress EX. Not too shabby. Put you over here with Great Tusk. One to the front. Energy. Gimmingle. Got Zatu, Scraggy, and a Houndstone. Psychic Energy, Natu, Paldean Wooper, Tandemaus, Mankey, Electric Generator, another Swoobat, Gengar, Maractus, Frigibox, and an Executor. Another Tandemaus, Paldean Wooper, Execute, Mankey, Primate, Artisan, Lantern, Donphan, Clive, and Paldean Student Alt-Art, Full Art, whatever you want to call it. So, that's a pretty decent card. I think I have it, but I don't know. I'll have to look and see. If anybody would be interested in seeing my collection of Pokemon cards, just let me know and I can go through some of them one day. At the day of this recording, which is May 1st, I have finally hit 100 subscribers. So thank you everyone who have joined up and subscribed. I appreciate every bit of it, and I appreciate all the people who watch the videos. And a shiny small of. It's definitely been. I mostly do this for fun. If it becomes something where I can make money off of it, I'm not going to quit my job or anything crazy like that, but it definitely would be nice. But, you know, I'm just going to keep doing it for me. Alright, we're going to put the promo down here. We're going into some Paradox Rift cards. I haven't opened too many Paradox Rift packs. I think mostly ones that have come in 10s and then the ETB. So I don't even remember much about the set. Cedra, Magby, Spinda, Iron Jugulus, Espathra. Metal Energy, Zubat, Natu, Purloin, Mindfu, Tatsuguri, Earthen Vessel, Medical Energy, Knackley, Natu, and a Thievul. Alright, Elekid, Vanillish, Onyx, Tinkatink, Professor Turbo Scenario, Turos, not Turbo, Rika, whatever, Melodic, Charcadet, and Zekrom. Nothing too crazy in those. I'm going to jump right into the Capsakid set. I hate these packs. Not the packs, but the packaging. There we go. Temporal Forces. Comes with a coin. So neither of these are promo cards. They're just normal. They're actually Obsidian Flame cards. Alright, put those right there. Let's get into our first Temporal Forces pack today. So far, Paradox Rift was not successful today. Let's see if we can have some better luck with Temporal Forces. Finished off that pack with a Koraidon. Going to jump into the Carvanha. Oops. There goes the coin. Carvanha promo. I love the Galaxy style holographics they do on the promos now. Fire Energy, Shroomish, Lickitung, Charbug, Slugma, Rapsco, Iron Jugulus, Full Metal Lab, Dunsparce, P-Dove, Padove, whatever, and then a Feraligatr. So far, it looks like Paldean Fates is going to be the one that gives me the hit today. Of course, that one opens really easy. There's the coin, and the pack fell. There it is. And the belly bolt. Last pack. Come on, Fighting Energy. Cat, Grubbin, Frostmaw, Noctowl. That's good artwork on that card. I like that. Hand Trimmer, Rapska, Fortress, Snom, Great Tusk, and an Iron Crown EX. So, not the best pulls today, not the worst. Last night I ended up with these two were my top pulls, so hey, not every day is a great day when it comes to pulling Pokemon cards, but hey, as long as we're alive and breathing and enjoying life, it's going to be a good day. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching. And until next time, goodbye.